na ako dito. Today is school day ni Ayla. Alo is sick, so Alo's not going to school. Gusto ni Arlie ipapatay yung bug. I'm gonna kill it later. Happy lang tayo. And yes, we're gonna drop him off later. Oh, you can use that! Kill them! Kill the bug, boy!
Mommy got it.
Well done?
Yeah.
Kill the bug, boy! You're strong!
Bam bam.
We're going to Ayla's school!
Bam bam.
Drop her off!
Bam bam bam.
Who's sick? Who's not going to school? Hello, boy! Ready na ang mom of four? Yes.
Mommy birthday.
Kaya pa ba natin?
Mommy birthday.
Yes! Time check 8:22.
Auntie Betty. Yes.
Who else?
Why not working?
Ayla ready?
Why not working?
Ayla's not talking.
Hmm.
Why not working?
What about me?
It's okay.
Okay.
How about Tita Rich?
Am I ready?
I said you ready.
Yes, I am ready, boy.
Look.
Thank you, boy. Ayla's ready for school. Ready? You ready, ate? Yay! Sa-sign in pa si madam. Say goodbye to Indy na. Bye, India. Yeah.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin.
Pagawas, no? Guys, napaka-confusing naman ang ating mga tiles. Uy, magkamukha man sila. Uy. Indy, you having a bath? Are you having a bath, Indy? You having a bath?
Not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Nakaligo. You want a bath? Hey.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is alright.
Asa man? Silicone?
Silicone na mo tara sa asan eh?
Yeah, brown.
Tapos na pala tayo sa guys, pagpili ng mga tupperware. Yung next natin is yung pinakita ko ng mga tiles. Tapos, ano to? Grout? Sand? Kani sand.
Ito is
Test natin.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
Guys, finally tapos na tayo. Andito na pala tayo sa bahay ni ate. Ay, napaka-stressful talaga maghanap ng mga tupwares at saka yung sa tiles. Sabi ko nga, pareho lang man ito eh. Pero anyway, finally natapos na tayo. And then, I have another appointment later on, which is medyo malayo dito, mga 28 minutes away dito sa bahay nila ate. So, I'm just gonna go by myself kasi medyo mahirap talaga, guys. Kasi yung mga kids, they're not really feeling good. So, mas okay na. Andito na lang sila sa bahay. So, ako na lang. Tapos, after noon, we are gonna go to the airport to pick up Michelle. So, si Michelle darating dito ng mga 5:30. My appointment is gonna be around 2:30. So, mag-hangout lang ako closer to the airport or kung asan ba. Before siya dumating kasi, yun nga, 5:30 siya darating, which is rush hour. So, mas okay na closer na lang ako siguro sa airport talaga mag-antay. Oh yeah, that's it. We are waiting for our order, guys. Nag-order ako ng GYG, ng Guzman E. Gomez. 4 minutes away na lang. Thank you. So, gusto sana namin kumain sa restaurant. Husa. Yeah, sa restaurant. Kaso lang, yun. Naya ka din sa bus. Wala. Okay. Ako nang gi-open ang door. Okay. So, kakain sana kami sa restaurant, pero yun na nga, baka hindi mag-behave yung mga bata kasi nga iba yung pakiramdam. Let's try to grab Arlo if papayagan ba ako nitong batang ito na kunin siya. Let's eat! Yung order natin, guys. Pinalo ko si ate, sabi niya kids meal siya. Nag-kids meal din ako, tapos nag-add-on lang ba yung mga sides and ingredients. Gabang liit naman, guys. Gutom mo dyan, guys, ha? Let's sit here. Against the light. Got a very cute burrito.
Finally. Mag-alauna na. Order si Miss ng GYG. Si Arlo mo yung taas, guys. Pagod.
Pagoda.
Pagod yun, eh. Lamit na yun.
Okay.
Lamit na sa chips food.
Cheese, D! Tama ka na to, D.
Pwede ba tulugin after?
Ito siyang kaan.
Tulog ito.
Ang cute! Sabi chips. Alo, with that chips, alo for taxtail.
Kani, guys.
Oh, so good. Tapos yung lubot. Na siya. Dun ko doon. Oh, so yummy! It's really good.
High five to Kasi Boy.
High five to kay Kai. Guys, hindi natin napansin yung oras. We are gonna go. Search ko lang yung address. Ay, ito. Pa lang tayo nakapag-lipstick. Ang init-init. Break yung door. Close this one. Right, let's go.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어. 둘이 don't take your eyes off me, babe.
Ang init-init, Lord. Let's go. It is 2:32. 2 minutes late. That's fine. It's just 2 minutes. Let's go. Okay guys, we're finished. Oh my god, I'm so happy. That was very easy, very quick. Look. Ayan. Hindi siya masyadong stressful compared to our Beaumont na appointment because ang daming kailangan i-select sa Beaumont. So, ayun, I'm very happy. I'm very glad na tapos na siya. Anyway, we are gonna find a place to hang out kasi ipipick up ko si Michelle mga 5:30 na. Siguro mga 6 PM na yan. So, closer to the airport. Maghanap tayo ng cafe or whatever. Ang init-init kasi. Sabi ni ate magtambay daw ako sa ano. Nag-remind na sila sa aking procedure bukas, sa aking surgery. Alam nyo ba, may surgery ako bukas, di ba? Ang init-init guys, pasensya na. Tapos, mga 1:30 on the same day, I have an online appointment para sa aking Clipsal Online Electronics appointment. Di ba? Walang pahinga. That to go to IKEA. Ewan ko ba kung anong gagawin ko. Pwede naman actually cafe. Bakit IKEA? Wait. Guys, we are gonna go to IKEA. Kasi siya talaga yung pinaka-closest and since it's very traffic, mas mabuti na mauna na tayo doon at makibaka sa traffic kaysa later. 5:30 is gonna be very, very hard. Guys, kanina pa pala tayo na karating dito sa IKEA. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-computer, nag-laptop lang ako, nag-transfer ako ng files. But other than that, we're good. We are gonna go to IKEA. Alam nyo ba yung weather ngayon? 31 degrees. So, hindi talaga siya safe na magstay tayo dito sa labas. And ayoko naman naka-on lagi yung aircon. Or naka-on lagi yung car kasi it's not good for the environment. So, kailangan ko lang talagang lumabas. I was planning of editing while I'm waiting for Michelle. Pero hindi kaya guys. Ang init dito. And yun nga. Kawawa naman yung ating environment na naka-on yung emission natin. So, let's just go. 717 only for this. Ang ganda-ganda. And this is very nice. Very good quality. Not bad. Guys, Michelle has landed. So, andito na tayo sa car. Meron lang akong pinamili. Nag-ask ako kay ate if meron ba siyang gusto ipabili sa akin. Ang ganda talaga na IKEA. It's actually the first time na nakapasok ako na IKEA. And grabe, ang dami talaga nilang mga items na ang mura lang. So, sabi ko ba, if ever, magawa na yung bahay, I feel like ang dami kong bibilhin sa kanila. Yun nga, mura lang. Yeah. You know what guys, if ever meron kayo ipipick up dito sa Adelaide na airport, tapos marami yung spare time, you can actually hang out dito sa IKEA. And yeah, by the moment na ready na yung ipipick upin nyo, pupunta na kayo doon. Like right now, nag-aantay na lang ako ng go signal kay Michelle kung kailan niya ako gustong pumunta doon rather than magpa-park pa ako. Rush hour kasi tayo, instead of like mga I think 25 minutes drive going to Ate's house. Magiging 46 minutes siya guys kasi malala yung traffic at this time. Wala akong wala akong applicator, so sige na lang. So parang ang tsaka na natin. Ang init kasi. Mas better na nga ngayon kasi kanina 31 degrees kaya kanina. Ngayon 28. Ay, just 28 pala. Diba? Init-init talaga. Here. Oh my God, ang dami ng tao. Apaka-traffic. Pero Michelle is here. Nag-aantay na daw siya sa sea. Michelle is here! Let's go. Let's go and help her. Guys, Michelle is here! Liug ang buwang. Michelle eh. Sakit yung ulo niya. Init daw sa Pilipinas. Anyway, we're 30 minutes away na lang tayo. Ay, 30 minutes pa tayo. Papunta kina ate. So, yeah. Let's do this. Duha ka bukong yaw eh. Michelle is here and we are here in the house. Let's go inside guys kasi meron tayong frozen na pinabili ni ate na kailangan nating ilagay na agad sa freezer kasi ang init nga. Let's go! Oh, dili na excited yan. You look so flushed. Oh my God, pretty!
Are you better? Yours here better.
Yeah, I like the better one. Look at Indy.
So, okay, all in the same day.
Look at Indy sipon.
Apil yung layover.
Ang school.
Tapos ko ate.
Good.
Good. Ito yung pinabili ni ate.
yummy.
Meatballs. I know.
Yeah, you like it?
I was in IKEA. Good thing your mom remember. I bought 4.
Amazing.
Mama.
Oh, I love.
You want that for school tomorrow?
Diyan ka niya akong gipalit.
Okay, I was on the bed wearing
Big kayo.
cold chicken.
Let's open it!
You know, go ahead and you put some rubbish in it. Definitely.
Pagka-sassy naman lang siya.
You know this cake and then sassy. Definitely. And then definitely.
You're not sassy, you're sissy.
And watch this.
Yeah!
Help, this one. This one, please help. Open.
Pero ng top
Stop, boy. No, more. All the way. More.
All the way. Good boy. Oh, that's enough.
Ate Ella, no, all the way. Open it.
Kuha na ka na extension ng yan.
So ready. Where is it?
Nasa top half.
1, 2, 3, drop.
Two. Let's open it.
Not there. Here, Alo.
Yeah.
Not that one. Ooh, this one. Okay. Ask Tita Michelle to open it. This is so good. Look at the chips. So good.
Let's play this.
Tita, you guys.
There you go.
Let's go. Tita Michelle owns that one. So I have to ask her.
What's that one? That's for girls. It's pink. Here,
What's this, Ate?
ate na flashlight para sa akuan car. Kaya nice ka na. Oh, like, I remember ko ito ng parking.
Whoa!
Ato dito. Nahunong ko ng park sa Mildura. Sa gabi.
This is for me.
This one.
Like that one? You're asking mommy to buy that? That's really good. You like it, Ayla?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, who's that little girl? Uy!
Kailan ba naabot?
Ay, natanggal na ni mo? Indy, come here! Wear it. Ah.
Anong gahat na ka di?
D, where are you going, D? Ah! D! Cute kayo. D! Ah, very pretty.
See Michelle.
Ah, pretty, ano?
Where
are you going, my beautiful D? So pretty.
We're
going to the Philippines? Ready naman, Vicky. What? Hugaw na kay Naus di. Hoy, hugaw na kay Naus. Woo! Already gave you the time and place, so don't be shy. Tell me the man I need. You got to make it out. Fuck! 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 Fuck!
Wonderful. What?
Ah! Go deep! Be the man. Interpretative dance ni Kainday. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man I need, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me. Be the man that I need. Gabarog lang sa oh.
No, come here.
We're gonna sleep kasi tomorrow na yung aking surgery. So, fasting pala ako. 6 hours lang naman yung fasting. Tapos, sips of water, pwede pa. 200 ml up until my surgery. Or an hour before the surgery. So, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys.